Sireta hai.
Fihan.
Yeah. Sio ngumu, sio
and the beats that to sing the English name. Here we go. Summertime, school is closed.
Okay, twende nalo. Aguka nayo. Okay, there are some things you can't get here in City. Like weed. Me, I'm a Jamaican girl. So I'm a Kamba. I come where beautiful girls, ladies come from. That is from Ukambani. And guess what?
Even me, I have one girl of Mukamba, my girlfriend.
He has a girlfriend.
Yeah, his name is Ariana.
Ariana, who is a Kamba. I'm telling you, even Somali people are marrying from Kamba land.
Yeah, tell like that.
They are so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, they're so beautiful and they're so white.
Why do you love them? What makes you love Kamba?
If I tell you that one, it's let me keep quiet.
Welcome to another vlog. As you know, my name is Claudia Walks, and guess what? You can't get bored with this beautiful street. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, can you subscribe? Take me to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, you know what? Let me know what you think about my street vlogs. Hi. Let me know what you think about my street vlogs. Niko hapa. So tuko hapa.
Kilia tu hapo.
Najua nimekawia, si ndio? Wasalimie. Mbona usiingie?
Naitwa Tom.
Wanauzanga bags around here. Show them. If you come to Isili, wapatie biashara ndio hii.
This is called, we are at day to day Isili. Next is Moonlight. We sell suitcase, all kinds of bags and tacticals for the jeshi.
Okay, today I'm exploring these beautiful streets. What do you love about Isili?
What I love about Isili is that you will find everything.
You will find everything here in Isili. So if you want to come to Isili, okay, there are some things you can't get here in Isili. Like weed. Me, I'm a Jamaican girl.
True. Because here they don't do that stuff.
Okay. You love music, eh? Which kind of music do you love? Hey, everybody is talking about Angukanayo. Okay, twende nalo. Angukanayo. Oh, that's amazing. Unapenda yo nini gine? Do you love about reggae songs? Vibes Cartel.
You heard he's out now.
Okay, face the camera.
He's out now, Cartel is out. Big up to all those who love it.
Okay,
you know he has lyrics in his songs,
Okay.
I'm looking forward, maybe he'll come out with a concert.
With a concert very soon. But he said that the first concert will be in December, right?
Yeah.
Okay, kamoja kake kasafi pale tukiendanga. Me, I'm not fan of music, so I'm trying to learn. I introduced myself and I said, you guys, I'm trying to fit in your shoes, guys. For those who love music, I don't know how to sing. I'm not fan of music, but since most of my fans love music, I have to try to fit. Sawa. Kamoja kasafi pale tukiendanga.
Najua kitu funny about the songs of Vibes Cartel. Just listen and the beats. But to sing the English name.
No problem. We will sing the English we know. The English that we know. I will assist you where I can. Let's go.
Which one do you know?
Any.
Kopopina.
Summer word.
Summertime.
Any.
Let's do that one. Summertime. Summertime. Here we go. Summertime, school is closed. Let's just a hint of it.
Sawa sawa. Leo nimefurahi kuwatembelea. At least you guys, I can see you are doing fine, eh? I know it's been a while, guys. I've not been into streets, but anyway, I'm back like I never left. Your girl is out here. Okay, let's go. Let's keep on working. Thank you so much.
Go and visit other shops. Explore.
Yeah.
You said you are exploring.
Sawa sawa.
Continue the good job.
I will for sure. Hi, bro. Okay. Let's keep on working. Let's keep on working. Thank you. I'm still meeting my fans. They are here, right? Yeah. Can you advertise your business? You know, when I come to Isli, I have to advertise their business for free. Waambia karibuni Isli, tuko hapa, tunauza hii na hii na vile mna advertising tu. We are shy. Sawa sawa. Wacha nipige maround then ni come tuongee. Sawa sawa. Okay, thank you so much. Let's keep on working, man. What's up, bro? Nikuje. Wacha nikuje. Yeah. Hi. So guys, let's keep on walking around as we interact with more people. I know these guys have me. Okay guys, I'm meeting my Somali people. Anyway, let me join him here as he greets us, as he says hi to my fans. So salimia kidogo na Somali.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Gabadha faaskeeda waa salaamaya. YouTube-keeda loo kala kiciyo, subscribe, sala soo siiyo, masha Allah. Isliyan joognaa meeshan aan iskaga xamaalanaa. Hal soo dhawaada, masha Allah.
Waambie wakuja kuchukua kununulia bags.
Kaaliya meeshan boorsooyin fiican ah.
Waambie mali uko.
Yeah, day to day aan joognaa. 8 Street First Avenue, ninka alaab u baahan. Waxaan haynaa boorsooyin, waxaan haynaa alaabaha maartay fulaha. Waxyaabo fara badan aan dadka wax u baahan noo imaadeen. بيع في عنك سنين إن شاء الله أصحابته. Welcome.
إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, sister.
Okay, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. You guys, you have been so supportive. Sawa sawa. Sasa nikianza ku travel out once I start traveling out of the country, sindakuwa nachukua bags kwenu bana.
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah,
so you
can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Kusalimia.
So guys, you know I love men. Do I love men? Most are Somali men. Anyway, I met one of my subscribers here, and he's a Somali, and I just want him to greet you with in Somali language. Okay, let's go.
Sideta hai.
See?
Sideta hai.
I don't know.
Sideta, it means
hello.
Habari yako.
Habari yako.
Yeah.
Then what am I supposed to kujibu?
Fi'an.
Fi'an.
Yeah, fi'an.
Okay, just greet me now.
Sideta hai.
Fi'an.
Yeah. Sio ngumu, sio ngumu.
Hello.
So one question from John Ombwa TV. Watu wanaita hii area Isili wanaita Little Mogadishu. Sababu ni gani?
Sini wa Somali wengi na pia wako hapa.
Oh, so Mogadishu yenyewe, the original Mogadishu is where?
Mogadishu in Somalia, but we call here Isli
because
Mogadishu, yani Mogadishu ndogo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Kwa sababu tunafanya hapo business, tuko na business unaona hiyo. Ukienda mpaka huko chini, ukikuja mpaka huko Tolo Street mpaka hapa, tunafanya hapa biashara. Yeah, sasa tunaitanga hapa hata ukitoka kama mtu akitoka Amerika, si anakuja tu Nairobi akikuja anakuja hapa mali na tanga Isli. Sasa tunaitanga hapo Mogadishu ndogo. Yeah. Umenielewa? Sawa, karibuni. Kama unataka pia chakula utapata hapa, chakula mzuri na quality na kila kitu. Yeah, tunakukaribisha vizuri. Yeah.
Sawa. Thank you so much, Claudia Walk. So I'm a Kamba. I come where beautiful girls, ladies come from. That is from Ukambani. And guess what?
Even me, I have one girl of Mukamba, my girlfriend.
He has a girlfriend.
Yeah, his name is Ariana.
Ariana, who is a Kamba. I'm telling you, even Somali people are marrying from Kamba land.
Yeah, tell like that.
They are so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, they're so beautiful and they're so white.
Why do you love them? What makes you love Kamba?
If I tell you that one, it's let me keep quiet.
They are nice, eh?
Yeah, they are nice.
I'm telling you guys, Somali people are going on. They are on another level. Actually, there is no discrimination. You can see that Somali is not marrying a fellow Somali. He's going to come along. I can't wait to attend your wedding with a Kamba lady.
Don't worry, I will invite you one day and one time.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And I'll be the one on the camera.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay,
asante sana.
Okay, karibu.
Wow. Let's keep on going. Asante sana. You want to hug me? You Somali people, do you hug ladies? Why?
That's not good.
That's not good. Why?
That's haram.
Because I'm not your wife, I'm not your girlfriend.
No, all Muslims. It's haram for that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know. I'm sorry. Huh? You can hug everyone as long as you have no band intention, right?